Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Simone Bahou, author of Ascension, Book 1, Me versus You. I'm also a retired chiropractor, doctor of chiropractic. Today we're going to do an enhanced meditation to help you remove burden energy from your past Me versus You experiences. What you're doing is you're stimulating the 70% of the non-functioning brain, or the love part. So the first thing I do is I'll say the Our Father. That's my prayer of choice. You can choose whatever prayer, whatever meditative technique you want to open up the connection between you and the universe, you and God, or however you want to refer to it. So after I've said the Our Father, what I'm going to do is play with energy. What I'm doing is playing with the strings and strands. You're going to stimulate the strings and strands. You'll feel burning or a strong itching sensation in this location right here. Once you get a good string and strand and you just stimulate, you're sort of creating an energy ball between the palms of your hands that you're going to lift to your head to stimulate the pituitary and the pineal gland for increased endocrine function. So what we're doing here is we're stimulating the non-functioning 70% of the brain, or the love part, which I refer to. So after you've done that, you'll just spin energy. Once you know how to do it, you'll sort of feel a release in the room, knowing that it's time and that you're ready. And then what's going to happen is your soul is going to take you on a journey of the most prevalent Me versus You experiences that need to be handled. So in this state of enhanced meditation, I'm sort of simulating it here for you. It's sort of a state of REM. You're extremely relaxed, and you just let your soul take you on the journey to the most prevalent ones. Once you've experienced it and you get some clarity with respect to it, you just say, I love you and I wish you well. Thank you so much for the experience. You've released the burden energy, and what happens is you become clear on what it is that you're supposed to do next. The R's are a mnemonic for rectification, reclamation of lost or dispersed energy, and then the state of reverie or peace, love and joy, if you will, is experienced at the end of it, and you're just like, wow, thank you so much. Now I know what to do. And that's how simple it is. This is not a very complicated technique, but I'll tell you what, it's taken a long time for me to get to the point where I can do this even on video. So anyways, please like, subscribe, and share. Get a copy of Ascension Book 1, Me versus You. Have a wonderful weekend. I will see you soon. Namaste.